Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training session. In this lecture, we will continue our pocket milling operation open type. So, here in previous lecture we will discuss I will apply this portion, but this cut is not properly cut. That's why I will delete this pocket mill, or you will select your geometry again by this option. So click on geometry. Here select chain, you will see highlight your chain, right click and rechain all. Now click your solid view. You will see here edges option is on. Now select this line, continue, select this portion and select this portion. Click on OK, again OK, and regenerate all. Now we will check in verify selected operation and just play. So you will see slot is applied perfectly. So now I will close it and same again I will apply here. So click on pocket, select your chain one by one by edges, OK, select your tool here, your holder here, cut parameters, select your pocket type open, give your overlap value, stock to leave on wall and stock to leave on floor set as per your requirement. I will click roughing, parallel spiral and give your step over distance. Entry motion is off. Finishing 2 passes with 0.5 spacing. Depth of cut same. The rough value is 1. Finish cut 2 with 0.5 spacing. And the linking parameters, so top of the stock is here and depth is here. Okay, now you will see it's perfect. So I will select all operation and recheck in verify selected operation. So I will click on here and play this operation, change speed. You will see all pockets are perfect. So I will close it. So friends, this is your pocket milling operation open type. Now in next lecture we will discuss about pocket milling operation draft angle type. Thank you friends.